Welcome to the digital passive income revolution. Today, we're going to show you how to make $10,000 per month with Chat GPT and Upwork. Chat GPT is an artificial intelligence (AI) tool that can translate copy into other languages in seconds. And Upwork is a platform where you can find clients who need your services. Together, these two tools can help you make a lot of money in a short amount of time. Step 1. Sign up for Upwork. The first step is to sign up for Upwork. This is where you'll find clients who need your services. Once you sign up, you'll need to create a profile that showcases your skills and experience. Step 2. Find clients who need your services. Once you have a profile, you'll need to start looking for clients who need your services. Upwork has a lot of different categories, so you'll need to find the one that's most relevant to your skills. For example, if you're a translator, you'll want to look in the translation category. Step 3. Use Chat GPT to translate copy. Once you've found a client, you'll need to use Chat GPT to translate the copy. Chat GPT is an AI tool that can translate copy into other languages in seconds. This will save you a lot of time and make you more efficient. Step 4. Submit your work. Once you've finished translating the copy, you'll need to submit your work to the client. Make sure to include a brief summary of what you did and how long it took you. Step 5. Get paid. Finally, you'll get paid for your work. Upwork pays you every Monday, so you'll need to wait a week before you get paid. So, if you're ready to start making money, sign up for Upwork today and start looking for clients who need your services. With Chat GPT, you can translate copy into other languages in seconds and make more money in less time. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today and start making money.